Hello and welcome to today's Delta Credit Tip. Today we're talking the Bank of America Secured Credit Card, or the Bankamericard. Is it worth getting? Well, stay tuned. We're going to fill you in on today's Delta Credit Tip. Hello and welcome back to today's Delta Credit Tip. I'm Michael Holmes of Delta Credit Restoration, bringing you yet more information to help you in your credit restoration process. Today we're talking about the Bank of America Secured Credit Card, or as they call it, the Bankamericard, and going to give you some of our opinions on some of those qualities of that card, and is it really a good card to help build your credit with. A lot of times we want to borrow or rebank. It just makes that relationship better and bigger and easier sometimes to get, so we want to kind of go over those cards. So hopefully this information is helpful for you. If so, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that every week as we come out with more information to help you with your credit repair process, you get this information as we provide it. It's timely, it helps you right away, and you can go ahead and accomplish your goals. All right, so let's talk about this Bank of America Secured Credit Card. Now, there are certain characteristics of cards that we like, okay? Normally, with a bank credit card, you'd think that them having branches would be a great idea because you can go in there and pay it, but if you've ever gone to Bank of America, just to go and make a deposit is like a 30-minute wait, so Bank of America, get some more tellers, hire some people, all right? We're gonna get past that part because that's really not a credit card issue, but it's just a general customer service issue, right? There's no point in having branches if there's nobody there, but we'll get past that. All right, let's talk about more about the specifics of the card. So one of the first things we always look at is, of course, the annual percentage rate. Now, the annual percentage rate on a credit card is made up of two components, prime and the margin. Right now, prime is 3.25%, and that kind of varies with the market, which you can read in the Wall Street Journal. It's based on indexes that you can find, right? But right now, that's 3.24. The margin is 19.74. from Bank of America. So when they add those two together, that's where they get your interest rate from. So right now, you're looking at 22.99%. So that's a bit high. You know, you're basically paying 23%. But recognize credit cards are designed to only hold debts for 30 days or less. That's why they have the grace period, which this card does have the grace period. And then afterwards, they start charging you interest. The grace period is the period during that billing cycle where if you pay it off in that billing cycle, you're not charged interest. So I charge something on a third of the month, the bill comes, I pay it in full to zero. My effective rate is zero because they're not charging me any interest, although the stated rate might be the 22.99. Make sense? All right, so interest rate, not the best thing in the world. Going on that line of fees and interest, the other characteristic that we like to look at is, well, how much is this going to cost me every year? And this particular card has no annual fee. That's a great thing, right? So you don't have to worry about that. Now, they do have other kinds of fees, transfers fees, late fees, over the limit fees. You know, you can use the card as an overdraft protection, which comes with a fee, but there is no annual fee that comes with this card, okay, which is obviously good. Another characteristic that we really do like about this card, one of the primary things that we look for is the ability to have a nice longevity with this account. Because remember, the average age of your accounts represents 15% of your score. So we really don't want to get into a relationship with a card that we don't like. And them holding my deposit ad infinitum, like forever, is not exactly a good quality. Bank of America is a convertible card. So what I mean by that is that some people call it graduating. You can eventually get your deposit back from Bank of America, and it starts right around 12 months. Okay, so good quality is that you can actually get your money back at some point in time. The initial deposit that's required with Bank of America is $300. It goes up to $4,900. So you have a nice little range there. A lot of credit card companies start off at $200. So you know it's still, you know, relative to everybody else. So no points lost there. Last but not least, one thing that Bank of America does offer with this card is the FICO score assistance that comes with it. So you can go in there, check your credit scores, and they give you tips and tricks on how to manage that credit card because it's linked to it, so that you can better manage that card and get that score, which we find great. If you're reestablishing or just learning how to build credit, having somewhere to coach you is a great thing to have. So how do we rate this card? Well, it's got some of the good qualities to it. Bank of America traditionally has a target market that we wouldn't even think would offer a secured card. So kudos for them for at least reaching out to that segment of their customers that need the help in building their credit. So we're going to give them a 7 because we do like the fact that it does have the conversion factor. We do like the fact that there's no annual fee with the card. We're just kind of skeptical on the interest rate and some of those other qualities. But if you bank with Bank of America, it does make it super convenient, and that adds a couple of points if you bank there, because it just makes it easier because you're going to be there anyway. You can check it online and manage your accounts better with it that way. So hopefully this information helps. If so, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that every week as we come out with more stuff, you get it right out of the gate. And hopefully this information will help you make a choice, make a change, Delta.